Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have ALGORAND update. Let's see what it will do and the recent price action. Right now, as we can see, we have 1.25 to 27 to 26 as our support level, major support level, 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, 1.13, which I don't think we will go there pretty soon, and of course the 1.35 to 36 USD resistance level and the 1.46 USD resistance level as well, which is the golden ratio, guys, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. What we want to see is Algorand going upwards, breaking this level right here, but we will see this in our price analysis. Right now, let's see the MACD. The MACD is looking strong, guys. In the 4-hour frame, we still regain strength. We almost fell down crossing this orange line, but we are regaining strength. Again, we want to see higher highs and higher lows for the MACD, and of course after this big consolidation here, 17th April, that we were going down, now we can have this bullish cross here and the MACD is above the signal line. We are going now to the RSI, we will remove the drawings, and of course let's look at the 4-hour frame. The commodity channel index is pretty above the 100, so if you see a short-term little bit correction here, do not worry, do not panic. Something like we want to see because we are making higher lows. The RSI though is still between 30 and 70, and what I want to see is the RSI, if it can surpass the 70 level, it will be pretty good. Of course, for the short term, for the very next few hours, we might have a correction if we surpass this line, but it is looking pretty good in overall. And of course, according to the SSL channel, we are having a buying opportunity. Let's see the algo against USDT in the daily frame. We were approaching the top, we had this big nice hammer candle here, and of course right now we were approaching the bottom, of the Bollinger bands, and of course we had a buying opportunity here. Right now we went upwards, and the reason we went downwards from here is we extended firstly the top Bollinger band, as you can see, and secondly the RSI was approaching the 70, but the main reason was the commodity channel index in the daily frame. It was above the 100. Then we had the correction, the Bitcoin's correction, as you can see here, we fell down, and there we had a very clean, a very nice buying opportunity. So right now, according to the MACD, that's the reason I like this angle, because we can see it crossing the signal line and then we can be more bullish on Algorand. Algorand is looking good. We need to see this cross here between the MACD, the blue line, and the orange line, the signal line, after this big consolidation. You can see here, the more the distance, the more the buying opportunity, right? The more the distance between the signal line and the blue line, the more the buying opportunity when the blue line is beyond the signal line. When it is above, the more the risk as well. So what we are having with Algorand against Bitcoin, you can see here, we found resistance on the 0.618 before. In the Tether USD, we found resistance in the 0.5, but on Algorand against Bitcoin, it is looking more strong, and we found resistance here. We need to surpass this level, and afterwards we can see Algorand going upwards again. The 50-day MA is crossing the 20 and the 30-day MA, and you can still, it is going below. It is going below. That's what we want to see here. It is looking good, guys. Of course, if we see just a small correction in the short term, do not panic. We are going now to the daily frame for Algorand against Bitcoin. Same here, guys. We lost our position a bit here, but we didn't manage to lose it at all, because the 50-day MA went beyond the 20 and the 30-day MA again. So here we had this hammer candle that I told you before, 23rd April, and now we are going upwards. We have these three white knight shoulders, and of course right now we want to maintain like this. We want to make 20-day MA as our support level. The MACD for Bitcoin in the daily frame, you can see we are approaching this signal line here. You can see that we want to get this cross and let the daily MACD, the blue line, crossing the signal line, going above. And finally, we are going to our price analysis. 1.25 USD, 1.36 and 1.46. This is our major resistance line. this is where I would put most of my money, because we have very clear buying opportunity above. We will be surpassing the golden ratio 0.618, and I would put more money on 1.47 USD around there, because we minimize the risk. But after all, Algorand looks good for one reason. First of all, now we made the 200 EMA as our support level. You can see here right now, this is looking pretty good, guys. Of course, we have the 50-day EMA that we want to get beyond the 20 and the 30-day EMA, and these are our major support levels in case we fall down. But as we keep getting higher lows, we don't have to worry about anything. As we keep getting higher lows, we don't have to worry about anything at all. Okay, so we might go like this, of course, but the thing here, the main thing I like about Algorand is that we now made 200 EMA as our support level. So guys, it is looking good. It's looking good in my opinion. And of course, for the short term, of course, it is looking good. If we see a correction, a minor correction here, it is due to the commodity channel index going above the 100 for the very short term. I am talking about the very short term. Do not panic if we see a little bit correction. We found actually resistance in the 1.36. We want to keep maintaining the 1.25 to 26 as our support level, and of course we want to break through the 1.46 USD in order to have a clear buying opportunity. And as long as we are making new higher highs, new higher lows, there is nothing to be afraid of. We will be making this. I want to see now making 1.36 as our support line, and I think, guys, we will go all the way up to here till we test the 1.46, and actually we might as well, after the 1.46 around, we might as well consolidate for a bit, because we will hit the 0.618, or we might just break through above quickly the 1.46 USD, and it will be very good. So we might end going on the 0.786 on this price. Okay, 1.61 USD, we go quickly above, if we surpass quickly the 1.46 USD. Right now, this is what we want to see. We want to surpass this, and of course make the 1.36 USD our Fibonacci support level here, the 0.5. So things are looking good, guys. 200 EMA is our support line right now. It was previously a resistance line multiple times here, and here we had this reversal, head and shoulders, and of course we had these two big nice engulfish candles like here. If you see a big green candle next to a small red, right next to the small red, then it is a big bullish engulfish candle. And of course we had this hammer candle here where we had this huge buying pressure, a reversal to the trend, and we could see Algorand going up and up, making new higher highs, bouncing between the Fibonacci retracement levels here, as you can see, and that's what we want to see. Even if we see a minor correction here in the very short term or a minor consolidation, do not worry, do not panic. Even if we test this support level right here or this one right here, do not panic. We are making higher lows and higher highs, and of course things are looking good for the Algorand. Okay, so right now we want to surpass 1.46, and we will be absolutely good. We want to bounce between Fibonacci retracement levels, and you can see here the superstar candle, and of course we went down afterwards. Okay, so that's what happens with Algorand, and thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, would be so much appreciated. And of course, if you can join our Telegram group chat, I have the link down in the description. Thank you again, stay safe and have a fantastic day. Bye.